How do you show a grand total in Tableau? In this example, I have region, category, subcategory, and sales. I'm showing a crosstab. I've added a grand total to the columns and a grand total to the rows. Let's add a new sheet and show you how to do this in Tableau. I've duplicated my sheet in Tableau, and I have a crosstab of sales by category, subcategory, and region. How do I add grand totals? Click on the Analytics button. You have a Totals option. Drag it into the middle of the screen. I can add column grand totals, and I can do the same thing to add row grand totals. You can also add totals by clicking Analysis, Totals, and Show Row and Column Grand Totals. You also have some options like showing totals on the left or showing column totals on the top. Hope this helps.